Welcome to this tutorial on how to limit the temperature set point range with the airHome remote controller. This video is designed for HVAC service professionals and applies to all latest generation airHome remotes. The airHome remote controller allows users to set indoor temperatures between 16 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 32 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range ensures comfort for all types of users. However, in some situations, it may be necessary to limit this range, for example, to prevent excessive cooling or heating, save energy, or comply with local building regulations. This is especially useful in places where children or untrained users have access to the controller. Let's see how to configure the temperature range limit on your airHome remote controller. This adjustment can be performed whether the airHome unit is on or off, and even away from the indoor unit. Step 1. Pick up the remote controller. By default, the lowest available set point is 16 degrees Celsius and the highest is 32. Step 2. Display the HVAC service menu. Press the fan speed and on timer buttons at the same time. While holding both buttons, short press the reset button. Keep holding until one appears on the display. Step 3. Enter the set point limit menu. Use the up arrow to scroll until you reach 6H. Then press fan speed to select it. In this menu, you will find two parameters: PC to set the lowest temperature limit, which is 16 degrees by default, and PD to set the highest temperature limit, which is 32 degrees by default. If your airHome unit is a heat pump, the same limit applies to cooling and heating operation. Press fan speed again to confirm your selection. Step 4. Set the new temperature set point limit. Once the desired limit is set, press the on-off button to save your changes inside the remote controller. Step 5. Exit the service menu. Press and hold the up-down buttons for 5 seconds until the normal operation screen appears again. Your new temperature range has now been successfully saved. Well done! You've just learned how to limit the temperature set point range using the airHome remote controller. This feature helps ensure comfort, efficiency, and energy savings in any indoor environment.